Whoa, mummy. I mean, mama. This is IHE here, and I'm going live in 2 hours on camcord.com/download/IHE. That's where you got to go. The link's in the description if you don't know where to go. But I'm either live right now, in which case, what the heck, click the link and go there and watch, or I'm going to be live soon, so be prepared. I'm sat on the floor with the whole Jar Media exciting crew all ready to record the Yogs Pog in a minute. They'll probably be here for the stream as well, the IHE stream. This time we're going to talk about crazy things such as the worst YouTube videos and the worst YouTube shit I can find. I was trying to last stream find my favorites, but it didn't work, but I figured out how to make it work now. Also, a DVD here. I'm not going to spoil what it is. People keep asking, hey, what's the new Search the Worst? Well, if enough of you show up, if enough of you ask nicely, politely, I might inform you about it. So, Ruben over here. Move a little bit, Ruben. There's some personal information right by your head, which I don't want anyone to fucking know. Okay. Ruben?
Yeah.
Say tune into IHE's.
Tune into IHE's.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Click the link in the description. This video will be deleted. I'm so sorry.